Hello everyone, today I'm going to be making cotton candy from Amazon. This machine costs $60. Here are all the flavors. Cherry, blueberry, blue raspberry, and grape. And we're going to be using blue raspberry today. First of all, I'm going to turn on the machine for 3 minutes so it can heat up. After 3 minutes, I'm going to put blue flavor in the cotton machine. And now, time to get it. I'm gonna use this one to catch the cotton candy. So much is coming out. Moving in circles so I can get the candy. I'm gonna move the stick fast so the cotton candy doesn't fly. Wow, it's so much cotton candy. It looks so beautiful. It looks like the cotton. This is what I got. So good. Tastes like blue raspberry. I tried the pink one, the cherry one. Now the pink cotton candy is coming up. So big. It takes a couple minutes to get all the cotton candy. That looks like a chill time. I got a pink candy cotton. It looks so cute. And yummy. It's like cherry. Now I'm gonna try the purple one. Grape flavor. Now let's put it in. I'm gonna put 1 spoon sugar. Now let's turn it on. Now the purple grape cotton candy is coming out. This is the purple cotton candy I just got. It tastes like grape. And it's yummy. Cotton candy is yummy, but it's not good for your healthy. So don't eat too much. You see these candies from making cotton candy? It tastes like candy. Video finished. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye, and please subscribe, like, and share.